Hey everybody, this is John over at the Model Haven, and today I just wanted to do a quick video and show you guys a kit that I thought might be fun to do for Halloween. It's this Dodge Charger funny car snap-together kit I had when I was a kid. It's called the Fiend, and I thought we'd take a look at it, and hopefully I can get this done before Halloween. So let's head to the bench and take a look. Alright, so a couple months ago I posted a video on these two models. Probably look familiar. These are two Tom Daniel snap-together kits. They were actually the first two kits I built when I was a kid back in the 70s. And so, you know, I kind of have a soft spot for this series. Kind of have a, a high nostalgia value for me. But I actually wasn't planning on picking up any more of them. I thought two was probably enough. But this one came up on eBay recently, and I just couldn't resist it. I did have this one as well when I was younger. This was probably the third or fourth model I ever built. But the one I had back then actually was the same color as the one on the box. It was orange. It was actually the exact same color as the Duster that I had. This one's yellow on the cover, but the one I had actually was orange. But this one showed up recently, and I had never seen this before, but it also came in this kind of cool green color. It's kind of like a, I guess it's sort of like a Mopar Sublime green. But something about it, I don't know, it just looks kind of Halloween-y to me. I don't know what it is exactly, but I think it's, it looks sort of like maybe the color of ectoplasm from Ghostbusters or something like that. It's a cool color. And so I thought, maybe that would make a good Halloween build, along with the sort of, Fiend theme. This one does have the original decals as well. They're 40 years plus old, so I don't know how well they're going to work out, but we are going to try to use them. And, I'm going to scan them beforehand so I have a backup, and maybe I can make my own decals if I need to. But you guys have posted lots of good techniques for using old decals, so I'm going to go back and review some of those, and hopefully that'll work out. Anyway, I thought this one might also go quickly for Halloween, because even though I'm going to paint all the the rails and the interior engine, all that stuff, I'm not going to paint the body. I'm just going to put the decals on and clear coat it, and that should be good. I'll need to paint the grille and maybe the back spoilers, but otherwise it's mostly going to be the molded color. For me at least, painting the body is the really kind of time-consuming part as I'm getting back into modeling. So I figured I could probably knock this one out pretty quick and maybe get it out in time for Halloween. I'm not giving up on the Camaro. I'm still working on that. I will have another update for you guys probably early next month. So we will. I will definitely finish that one. But I thought it might be fun to do something in the interim and just get something done quickly. So we're gonna try it out. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. I will see you in the next video, probably in about a couple weeks, right before Halloween, and we'll see how it turned out. All right, have a good one. I will see you in the next video. Peace.